Welcome to the Traders Help Desk online video collection. As most of you know, yesterday in the trading room I said that if the magenta peak comes in on the 720-minute chart, we would expect price to come back, test the ATR on the Virgin volume, and that would generate an entry. As you can see, it did exactly that. You had an entry here and you have already taken Clipper 1. You could also actually trade this from the 3-minute chart, and as you can see on the 3-minute chart, price has closed above the slow moving average, came back and tested the slow moving average, and then it closed above the slow moving average again here. So that generated an entry at 93.15. You're running a 10-tick stop. You took 20 ticks off at Clipper 1, 40 ticks off at Clipper 2, and then 60 ticks at Clipper 3. Your ADX is high, so you would be expecting a retracement down to the ATR on the 3-minute chart. And you have to make sure on the 12-minute you are not close to a magenta peak. So that would generate another entry if that occurs. Over on the 45-minute, if you were trading the 45-minute, then you had an entry generated at 93.08 when it pulled back to the ATR, gave you diverging volume. You have already taken Clipper 1 at 93.54. That was 46 ticks of profit. Your stop would now be at break even, and then you would also be looking to take Clipper 2 for your next profit target. After that, it would be Clipper 3, which is at 94.46. These trades were actually identified yesterday when we saw the magenta peak come in. I knew exactly where I would be going in the market. All I had to do was sit back and wait for the trade to come in. Now I'm going to pause the screen because we're just a few ticks away from our profit target here, and then I will resume when the profit target is achieved. Okay, as you can see on the 12-minute we did have the magenta peak, so that tells me it may pull back to the ATR on the 12-minute chart. Now there is time decay, so when this peak came in, the ATR was down here at 93. The ATR is now at 93.10. We're expecting it to pull back at least to 93.15. But again, you see a pause in the market action right now, so I would suspect that the ATR is going to pull up even tighter towards price. So I'm just sitting here waiting. Again, I'm already in this on the 45-minute. I'm still looking to get Clipper 2 and Clipper 3. Okay, while I'm still in the 45-minute trade, you just got another entry over here on the 3-minute. You can see that it has pulled back to within 5 ticks of the ATR on the 12-minute. It closed beneath the slow moving average, and then it has closed above the slow moving average. There was diverging volume, so you're in this trade risking 10 ticks. So your first profit target again would be 20 ticks, 40 ticks, 60 ticks. Okay, there's Clipper 1 at 20 ticks, so your stop is now at 93.30. Again, I'm still in the trade from the 45-minute. Okay, there's Clipper 2, that was 40 ticks. So far you've made 60 ticks on this trade. Your stop is now at 93.47 on the 3-minute chart. Again, I'm still sitting in this trade from about 7 o'clock this morning. For some of you in the trade, you may have considered this a magenta peak. A peak is a pointed top. This is just a pink dot to me. Okay, on the 3-minute you just got stopped out, so a total on this trade was 80 ticks. Okay, as you can see, I'm still in the trade over here on the 45-minute. There has not been another trade generated on the 3-minute. So I'm going to go ahead and end the trade. My stop is at 93.10 right now. So if it comes back to 93.10, I will be out of the trade. Otherwise, I will try to take profits at 94 and 94.46.